fourth member, every fourth people of Manipur came out of their homes on August 4, 1997 to say in one voice that the territorial unity and integrity should not be disturbed from any quarter. In fact, as a suggestion, we place it before the government of India and to all concerned that if at all there is any need arises as to how to solve this, how to come out from this problem, we invite all concerned, including the government of India, to have an open public dialogue in Imphal, so that the doubts in the minds of the people as to whether this extension of ceasefire should be extended to Manipur or not. If the people say yes, we want extension of ceasefire, then there is no question about it, let extension be made. But if the people say no, then no one should impose, no one should dare to extend this extension of ceasefire. Because if the people do not want extension, do not want ceasefire to be extended to Manipur, I think this is a democratic country. The government should listen to the voice of the people, not to the sounds of guns. In fact, what the people want today is a democratic society free from any inhibition, free from any threat, from any quarter, with a peaceful life of the society. In fact, we are open for any dialogue, any discussion, without any condition. Contrary to that, if at all, against the wish of the people, if anything is done against the interest of the people of Manipur, I think it will create more and more problem. There may not be any tangible solution in it. Thank you.
In Manipur, you want to be extended to Manipur. Now the problem of insurgency in Manipur has affected the state itself. How would the people of Manipur like this problem to be handled, especially with the NSC and IM, since they are the ones who have afflicted the most problem in the state?
In fact, to handle any militant outfits, it is the responsibility of the government of India. I think the government of India is efficient enough, very speed enough to tackle the issue, to tackle the problem, and the people
doesn't have any place in it.
The basic question is national wants to extend it to Manipur.
That is why I said at the beginning.
And they are inhabiting parts of Manipur. So how do we implement? Where do we?
No, please. NSCN is not inhabiting the parts of Manipur. The people are inhabiting the parts of Manipur. In fact, it's a militant outfit. I mean, any militant outfit for that matter, they may belong to any part of India. They may belong to any place of India. But we are concerned with the welfare of the people of Manipur. If at all this extension of ceasefire extends to Manipur, I think that will create more problem instead of solution.
So what are the problems that you anticipate? What are the fears that you anticipate if this extension comes about?
In fact, Manipur is a very old land, it has an old civilization. This place is very dear to the hearts of the people. You know, when someone who is very dear to you is in trouble, how do you feel like? Something like that.
What kind of action would you take in case this extension goes ahead? That's the basic question.
That means, what will be the course of action?
Course of action, I think there will not be a proper question now, because it's the people who will take the.
What are the fears you anticipate, sir? What is it? I mean, you have said that you will not part with, you will not, there should not be a territorial area marked out. These are just hypothetical possibilities, yes. But what is the fear amongst people? What are the possible fallouts that you foresee?
Yes, possible fallouts are communal tension will heighten among the different communities. That is for sure. We cannot set. No one can set it. As I said at the beginning, this place is very dear to the people of Manipur. If anything is done to undermine the unity and unity of Manipur, naturally people will definitely react. I don't know which way they will react.
Because one of the reasons, one of the demands of this, I mean, the continuation of the ceasefire is that the extension of ceasefire areas. Now, if this demand is not acceded to, then the ceasefire can be broken. So, at this stage, what role will the people of Manipur play?
Because we welcome the peace talk between NSN, IM and India. But in between, people should not be equated with any religion outfit. People are people. So that way, that question, I think, the dialogue between NSN, IM and India involves the interest of the people of Manipur. The people has, in that case, the people has every right to know what transpires between the two parties. Nothing cannot be hidden from the people. It's a democracy.
Clearly, you are indicating that the extension of the ceasefire to the Naga insurgent group will affect the territorial integrity of Manipur.
Yes, right.
How true is that clear, and what kind of output do you see?
For that matter, we have already written about the hidden agenda. So, hidden agenda is hidden agenda.
I think it will be a very complex question to address.
They communities in this case. So how do this monitoring group, in the interest of the public,
In fact, I don't think-
see your role in?
I don't think there is clear division. I don't think that.
So basically,
The people as a whole do not like any division of Manipur. People as a whole are not divided on this issue, whether one dwells on the hill or one dwells on the valley. In fact, people in one voice said no extension of ceasefire, no compromising, no threat to their territorial integrity. Of course, there may be one or two persons fringe, for that matter, I don't think it's a democracy.
Also, we have several groups operating in the Northeast.
Right.
And the government of India is dealing with it on different levels to bring about a lasting solution, peaceful solution. How would you like the government of India to take the issue? Or how would you like to, in fact, address the insurgent groups themselves who they claim they are working for the public?
For this matter, there is a context of the Indian government. That is for the Indian government to decide. But as for our part, what we say is, what we want to say is, let people live in peace. Let people live quietly. Let people be not disturbed by any measure taken by the government or from any quarter.
Very complex. Divide between the people who are marketing the branding and those who are marketing the things, particularly the Naga, the company members, and he said that the majority of the Manipurians feel that there should not be any threat to the territorial integrity
Right.
of the state. What are the feelings of those people in question, those Nagas who are inhabiting Manipur's areas?
The state of Manipur. But some of them, a few, one or two, may like to do so. But generally,
Who are these one or two?
actually,
We may not be able to mention.
we may not be able to mention.
Another thing is, the valley also, I don't know why this division. I mean, suddenly, all of a sudden it seems that the recent history of Manipur, through motivation or ritual designs or whatever it is, there seems to be a division between the valley people and the hill people. This is you didn't see in the past.
There is no any
Why
division.
this division? Because all the tribes, the people belong to all different tribes, communities. They also come here. I mean, they are part of this valley. People. So why this division? I can't understand this. I mean, this is what we find a very superficial and artificial and natural remove from wherever it has been initiated and this will be defeated. We don't believe in division. We don't believe. We sincerely don't believe. Let me we cannot in fact say that the Tangkul Nagas or Tangkuls are divided from the society. In a sense, at this juncture, there cannot be any genuine public opinion. When there is trade, how can you say that I have expressed my opinion? So, under this atmosphere of trade or insecurity, I don't think no one can say that this is the genuine public opinion of any community for that matter. Not only for the country, even for other communities also.